Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Matthew with Houston Window Experts. Happy to have you here today with us. When I go to get finalized measurements on a project, one question generally stumps a lot of people, and that's what's happening with my alarm system. We generally have three options to choose from: the cut, twist, and bury method, wireless surface mounted sensors, and the leave exposed method. So the first method I'm going to be discussing today in detail is the cut, twist, and bury method. Most homes have wired in alarm sensors that come up through the bottom of your window frame. This presents an issue for us because when we take the window out, we can't drill through the new frame because it'll void your warranty. So what we can do in this instance is cut the top off this sensor, twist the wires together, and bury them in the cavity between the vapor barrier and the siding of your home. This removes the sensor from the window entirely and leaves it unprotected. Now, a lot of people think, hey, wait a minute, Matt, I don't want to leave this window unprotected. I still want a system on this window. That's where the surface mounted wireless sensors would come into play. The wireless surface mounted sensors would take the place of your current system in that the base would go on the frame of the window and the other mount would go up here on the sash. So when this circuit breaks, the alarm gets triggered. The only difference is it's not wired in anymore. It's a wireless system communicating with your central hub. Now with the third option, leaving exposed, it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll demonstrate just to make sure there's no confusion whatsoever. So if you don't like the wireless mounted system, you think that it may be a hassle or you're scared of wireless, no concern. We can still use your existing system. Essentially, when we take these windows out, we'll cut this head off the sensor again, leaving the wires coming into the home, tape them down so that they're exposed. Place the new window on the top so that the wires are coming in from this caulk line where the stool meets the window frame. This allows the alarm company that you're currently using to come back and install wired in surface mounted sensors working the exact same as the wireless ones, but you're already wired in using the same system. So these are the three main options that homeowners have when dealing with alarm wires and new window installation. At the end of the day though, if you're having the windows and doors replaced on your home, best course of action is to contact your security company. They know your security system and your security concerns. They would be the absolute best people to help guide you in what to do in securing your home and making it look awesome with brand new windows. If you found this information pertinent and useful, give us a like, subscribe. We'll see you around.